This is the Wolfcom Vision, the world's most versatile, comfortable, and lightweight law enforcement grade body camera. The Vision has a rotatable camera lens allowing an officer to point it up and down and aim it in the right direction. It's made of aircraft grade aluminum, records in 1080p, has a 120-degree wide-angle lens, and is smaller than a credit card or a business card, and weighs only 2.2 ounces, making it the lightest law enforcement grade body camera in the world. When compared to other competitors, ours is the smallest, the lightest, and the thinnest. With other competitors' body cameras, because they're too thick, they cause a problem, especially when you're trying to leave the vehicle and the seatbelt gets caught on that. This is a common problem with these big, clunky body cameras. So how is the Vision worn? It's simple. Because of its rotatable camera lens, it's very easy to use. Every day, your officers will just grab it from the docking station and go. You can mount it on almost every type of uniform, whether it be a Molly vest, your standard officer uniform, body armor. It's very configurable, very lightweight, and we understand that comfort is the most important thing to an officer. If you're not comfortable, you really can't do your job well. Anti-video deactivation technology. What it does is when you enable it, it prevents the Vision from accidentally turning off when you're in a struggle or fight with a suspect. With AVD activated, to begin recording on the Vision, just press down as you normally do. The unit will power on, will vibrate, and will begin recording audio and video. However, to power the unit off and to stop recording, press up, down, up, and the unit will power off. You could also add external cameras to the Wolfcom Vision. External cameras gives you that option to have point of view recording. You can clip on one of our cameras to your glasses or to your hat for that point of view recording. And you could also take that same camera and clip it onto your shirt collar for the over-the-shoulder view. Optional headset cameras are also available for those officers that don't wear glasses. Now all these camera options wire down to the front of the shirt where it's then connected to the Wolfcom Vision, like in the video here. Just connect the cable to the AV port of the Vision and you now have the world's first two-camera system. While the Vision camera acts as a backup, the optional cameras now act as a primary camera, and that gives you our patent pending technology, which we call Critical Reconnect. Now with Critical Reconnect, the way it works is that in the event your officers get into a fight or struggle with a suspect, and that suspect was to grab a camera and rip it off, the backup camera on the main unit will resume recording of the audio and video. The Vision also has what we call a public awareness light, a flashing light in front of the unit that will help de-escalate situations when the public knows they're being recorded. The Vision also has a built-in digital flash and also a flashlight. Now the flashlight is ideal for your nighttime traffic stops when you pull over a vehicle. You could also snap a photo by pressing the center V button of the Wolfcom Vision. It also has an optional battery pack that gives you 24 hours of continuous non-stop recording. Pressing the button on the 24-hour battery pack gives you battery status. Now it fits into the back of your belt with a pouch that's included, and it wires up to the Vision. And when connected to the Vision, you now have 24 hours of continuous non-stop recording. There's also a smaller 5-hour battery pack that's very light and you can fit into your front shirt pocket, just like this. We also have optional mounting accessories, such as the bike mount, the suction cup mount, and also the visor mount. Now the bicycle mount is ideal for your bike patrols. It mounts onto your handlebars. At nighttime, they can also activate the flashlight to illuminate their way. With the visor clip, simple, the visor clip slides into your visor and the Vision clips onto it, giving you an instant in-car camera system. There's also a suction mount that you can stick onto your front windshield. With the Wolfcom Vision mobile app, your officers can tag, classify, and do notations directly on the field. At the end of the day, your officers return to the station and then they dock their Wolfcom Vision body cameras into the docking station. Our extractor will then detect all the data from the camera and begin to upload everything into our WEMS. You'll also be able to see a status indicator letting you know the status of the upload. It all uploads into our total Wolfcom Evidence Management Solution package, where you can install this and connect it to your network. And then from any computer on the network, you could actually access WEMS by going to any computer, opening up your Chrome or Explorer browser and typing in your credentials, and then you're in. WEMS is CJIS compliant and is designed to manage, organize, protect, and encrypt all of your digital evidence from your video camera, in-car camera, body cameras, 911 calls, audio recorders, and you could also upload police reports as well. WEMS is a robust evidence management solution that can play back, crop, and also redact. We also have smart redaction as well. Our Wolfcom storage solution is completely expandable to accommodate departments of any size, from departments as small as a 3-man department all the way to several thousands. Our storage solutions can be connected to the network or used as a standalone system and comes pre-installed with our Wolfcom evidence management software.